Want to turn any viral video into your own product ad in minutes? Stick around because I'm about to show you a game-changing trick. Let's be honest, making viral UGC ads from scratch is usually a headache. Editing, camera angles, pacing, it can take hours and still not feel right. But what if AI could do it for you? Meet Topview Video Agent, an AI tool that automatically recreates viral content, perfectly matching the style, pacing, and even camera angles of trending clips. Seriously? I've tested it on a few viral TikToks and e-commerce hits. The AI versions are so close to the original, it's almost impossible to tell them apart. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to take a viral video, feed it into Topview, and get a ready-to-post ad that's uniquely yours, all in minutes. No editing, no production crew, just AI-driven creativity. If you've ever wanted to ride trends without the stress, this is your secret weapon. So grab your product, get ready to turn inspiration into results, and let's dive into creating your first viral AI UGC video, step by step. Visit Topview.ai. I will leave the link in the description for you. Once you have created an account, you should see a page like this, which reads, "The #1 Marketing Video Agent." Topview Agent is actually powered by OpenAI Sora 2, which makes the videos generated with Topview incredibly realistic and interesting to watch. When scrolling down the page, there are a whole lot of AI tools available. You can turn any photo into an avatar, have an avatar showcase any product, create a consistent avatar, create an avatar marketing video, use the Product Any Shot feature, character swap, and much more. Over here, you can see existing UGC videos that were recreated using their respective reference videos. So all of these are UGC ads created with Topview Agent. Now, let's go ahead and start creating our own UGC ads. We'll start by testing its main feature, which I believe is the Viral Video Agent, where we'll upload a product we want to create the UGC video for, along with a reference video. If you already have your product photo and reference video, you can skip this next part. But if you need ideas, you can go to the TikTok Creative Center to find what's trending in the ads industry. On the TikTok Creative Center website, I'll click on Get Started over here. And you'll see a bunch of UGC ads displayed. You can use these to get a clue or find a reference video. You can sort by industry, objective, country or region, as well as view duration and time frame. Now that I have a clue on what's trending and have gotten a reference video for my UGC, let's start creating the video. What if you don't already have a product you want to advertise? You can join an affiliate program like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. You can set up a ClickBank account, find products to promote there, and then use those products to generate your UGC ads. Or you can use Amazon Associates, which is Amazon's affiliate program, to generate UGC ads and then promote them on TikTok or Instagram to start making money. So, let's say I want to create a UGC ad for glasses. I'll come to Amazon and find the glasses I want to promote. Let's say I want to promote this particular pair. I'll download the image of this product. Once I have my product image downloaded, I'll go back to Topview.ai to start generating the UGC ad. Back on Topview's website, I'll go ahead and upload my product image and also upload my reference video. This is the video I got from TikTok. Once the reference video has also been uploaded, you can check here to select an aspect ratio. We have 9:16, which is the TikTok or YouTube Shorts standard, and also 16:9, the standard YouTube video format. I'm going to stick with 9:16 and I'll hit Send. Topview will start recreating our video using OpenAI Sora 2 technology. Now, the Topview agent will ask you a couple of questions, including the name of the product. So I'll come back to Amazon, copy the name of the glasses, and paste it here. It also asks, What's your product selling point? I'll go ahead and answer those queries, including my target country, which I'll leave as the United States, and English as my preferred language. Then I'll hit Confirm. The Topview agent will start analyzing everything before running the task. Now, this is the part that requires some patience. The video will start generating, but this usually takes 5 to 20 minutes, depending on the server load. I'll speed this part up and show you the final result. So, the UGC ad is done. Let's watch it. That's awesome. Now let me introduce you to another feature I like, which is even faster. It's called the avatar marketing video. With this, you don't need a product image or a reference video. You can create UGC ads using just a link to the product you want to advertise from Amazon, Shopify, eBay, TikTok Shop, and more. I'll come back to Amazon and find a power bank I want to promote. I'll go through the listed power banks and choose one. So let's say I want to promote this U-Green power bank for laptops. I'll click on that and copy the link. Once I've copied the link, I'll come back to the Topview website and click on Avatar Marketing Video. Good. A page like this should show, with a provided space indicating that you can enter a link from Amazon, Shopify, TikTok Shop, Google Play, and more. I'll paste my copied link here and click on Import from Link. Topview will start analyzing the link and import all the media files from that page. Great! Topview has imported all the media files from the link I provided. I'll just go ahead and click on Continue. And of course, I can select an aspect ratio here. We have 9:16, 3:4, 1:1, 4:3, and 16:9. I'll leave it at 9:16, which is the perfect TikTok video format or Instagram reel. Now I'll hit on Generate, and the video will start processing. Just like before, this will take a few minutes to process, so let's give it some time. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family. See you in the next one.
Remember those old bulky power banks that barely charged your phone once? Professionals, if your workflow keeps getting interrupted by dead batteries, this is for you. This Ugreen Nexo 200W power bank is a game changer. With 200W total output, it charges my MacBook Pro and another device simultaneously. Super fast. Its 25000 mAh capacity means multiple charges for all my devices, even my iPhone 15 over 5 times. The TFT Smart Display shows real-time power, voltage, and remaining time. It's so cool. Perfect for photographers, videographers, and gamers. Never miss a beat. Grab yours now and power through your day without interruptions. Link in bio.